You stand up and see your sexy body, man. Turn around and see you. Touch your toe a little bit. Me get one kiss on your body jaw.
No!
No.
You want to give me one kiss?
On your body jaw.
You just start, sit there.
Mwah.
Like that.
Mm. I would just make your beard in the milk and run my tongue all over your body.
I will not say, you love yum. Somebody there rub your tongue.
Oh, no, sir. You see you? I jump your pokey, I jump.
No, love. You can't make me jump.
Why me can't make you jump?
Because I'm in a jumpy. Natural body still aware. Young girls from fire you pain. When you don't scared, on nobody just drink water and belch and drink natural body still aware and girl with natural body still look nice.
Just, just by looking at you with that the body that you right, you know me imagine having you and a backers. No, sir.
That will never continue imagine.
Jankro,
Oh, Shana!
I'm
What the fuck
imagining.
are you saying? Shana! You see, you tell me someone must come put our body right there, you know. Antika, is me not at you know.
Uh-uh.
Shana, are you at me? Me not at you know. Shana! Right now, me no worries. Gotta deal with everything. Gotta deal with everything right now. Shana, come down to some parade.
People,
Right now,
top of
me
the screen.
no worries. Guys,
People
see
that
people that
ready.
must sneak up our way. They must sneak up our way. When I come, if you don't want me dance soon, I
Top of the
send some
screen.
gifts. I don't want me dance soon. Why were we gonna work?
Give me a wine, there. Give me a wine. Give me a wine. Top of the screen.
Snipe! Snipe!
My side, come on.
Snipe! 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 Thank you. Really? Thank you, Shauna. Big up yourself. So, I don't want to say over here. I'm no delete. I'm not. Make a vibe for MVP. Thank you for your contribution, Shauna. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
Everybody, shampoo.
man. Thank you,
Bless
Oli.
up yourself, seven garden. Bless queen, bless up yourself. One done. 876,
So
bless
that
up yourself.
I'm nice, I'm sexy, I'm cute, I'm this. I'm not even a gift message supposed to say. Come on, guys, we want to come out and see one.
Yeah, go on with
All of
yourself,
the
bro.
things to do, just do some exercise. Be fit. Come
Yeah,
on,
go on
guys.
with yourself, bro.
Put some art me, when come out and see one. Put up on my window.
Yeah, go on with yourself, though, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with myself.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's comfortable. My belly
Yo,
full.
when you put on your clothes, when you put on your big clothes, them, your shape not show, you know? I know, say, at first, me actually see your shape.
Yeah?
At first, me actually I see your shape.
Ally.
Mm-hmm. You look good, man. All you got some,
Chris!
just a little line,
I
your
can't.
little, no, say, you're sexy, man.
Yeah, my husband tell me every day. Chris, like on the live now, please.
People
Chris,
top of the screen.
Chris, take your money gone in a day, you know. But I have the black chocolate, I don't know. More I eat it, I don't want to eat it. I'm tears. But me I eat it.
Top of the screen, everyone. Everyone top of the screen.
Exactly. Tell him, Chris. Tell him someone always look sexy from morning. Tell him, Chris. Send me some Facebook page.
I should I put in my earpod. Hold on, I put in my earpod.
Girl, so good.
Yeah, hear me good?
I hear long time.
No, my earpods get trouble sometime, that's why.
I got that earpod there. I wish you had my earpod. When I come
And
now,
I four border.
no.
Oh, Apple.
Why should I worry? After I know nothing to
Mm-hmm.
do. When I come now,
Mm-hmm.
when I come now,
Mm-hmm.
when
You
I like
sexy bad man. Young
naturally,
lady, give me one more spin. Give me one more spin.
women for spinning, I can't pay me, man, I go home. I'm going to pump boy.
Babes, give me one more spin.
Then I have the
Bumbo clean. Shotty, what you deal with? Watch a woman sexy man. Top of the screen, everybody.
Come on, guys, don't make him this choco, no.
Inbox me here, cause me I come
If
over
I
so
add
one
you,
night time.
everything in the audio, may I follow you, Chris? Chris, give me more money
Yo,
on this, our anat, our at. Give me one at, give me another at in my live call. I have money.
yo, me I say.
Oh, yeah, yo. I look like market girl.
Bumbo, bumbo. Then say, my woman a watch me. Rasp.
Maka, you
Then
hear
say,
him? Maka, buddy. That man, buddy, take it. Run him. Buddy.
I lie them a tell my woman now watch me. Me know my woman
Maka.
page them.
Maka, buddy. Maka, take man, buddy, take it out and carry, run him. Maka, buddy. Maka, 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 Maka.
Top of the screen, people. Top of the screen. My woman now watch me. I'm a matter of fact.
You want to add now the purple piece at, please? Just snipe it. See, and then somebody support my life goal, please, or give me a heart name. BAB Fitness.
Can't make
Snipe!
her win the general.
Snipe him! Snipe! Snipe him! Thank you.
A six year plan for give me?
Thank you. Thank you.
A
Thank
six,
you.
a six year plan for give me? Queen, bless up yourself, attitude girl. Involved, bless up on yourself. A 6 year plan for give me girlfriend?
MVP. BNB. Daniel. Chris Fan. Thank you. I'm shoot at them over there. We're going to just snipe me. Come on, guys. Stop telling me I'm beautiful or not. Give me nothing. If I'm beautiful, put on the money when I'm out there. Blood clot. Let me play some tune, yeah. Cause if I'm
Yo, you
beautiful,
can't talk. Listen me. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. You can't talk to me without having to play a tune. I can't bother with the noise, I know. I want to talk to you.
so you answer to me.
I go build up a conversation now.
More
Nothing trying,
revenue.
nothing done.
Everyone. We're build up conversation, but we're build up conversation. I know for them not let me call them tell me oh some nice. That's it. Watch them to focus
Mm.
on the beach. Hey, I know for them
When
not
it,
like
when you're looking for a purse, when you're looking for a guy, what you're looking for in them?
what you're looking for in them being their self. But I already have a guy. Although I'm
Oh,
a good, but I still have a man.
so you don't think you can put
Let's
a
say
stop to that?
out the road, so may I get born. Wine pon it. Eh,
Oh, so the man never show that in your face then?
alright, I will come and play match with you because you know say people never come shoot against me. You think you're easy, Mrs. AJ. Thank you, AJ. Yeah. Back up on it. Take my money and take it care of us and run it. But why you pay the light bill there, the water bill there,
What you
why?
say?
Like, AJ, are you teach me them what for wine and when you know, when up on it,
At
AJ,
the next way of return. At the next way of return.
tonight, AJ. Thank you, Shana Boo Boo. Thank you, Banks Dan. Tell me why you pay the light bill there, the water bill there. Why you put on a hairstyle there? That's there for match with that dress there. Night at the Monday.
My side top up the screen.
Come boy, bless Anna and AJ. Thank you guys. May God continue to bless you, guide you, protect you, lead you in the right path. May I see nothing but blessings and blessings and blessings upon you. It's time.
Yeah. Yeah, people, yeah, people, yeah, people, yeah, people. Everybody tap up the screen. Yeah, man, I'm a cousin. Yeah, she.
Come
Yeah,
on, guys.
people, she, I'm a cousin.
Where cousin?
May I tell the people them say me have a cousin on TikTok. Yeah, people, she, I'm a cousin.
Hey guys,
Mm-hmm.
want to play the white build there, the water build there, and why you play the white build there, and if you want to by Saturday, okay, you are the realest man out there. So put your money where your mouth there. Somewhere full up a hole, full up a this,
You're not even know what this suit chewing.
no one know it more
A
why
piece
you
of
the bills. More only you, more know some know the part for pay the bill there. Other part of one know the part of say pay the bill there, pay the bill there, pay the
mm-hmm.
bill there. That part of more here.
Mm-hmm.
Alla boss. Wanna just come here like you like a gift. I don't the pan. You look nice. You look nice. But no, I look nice. My confidence high. I don't have no self-esteem. I need to lose some weight.
You mean you need to tighten up your legs them some more?
No, when your body snipe, snipe, when you snipe up, snipe. Jesus Christ, and I'm
Can't
eating
wait.
nuggets them. Jesus Christ, after me beat the man, so my butter the man from morning. When I really. Thank you, AJ. Thank you, Shauna. Thank you, Dapper Dan. No, you see, all right. You see
Amanda
when
one.
you I start put on enough weight and your skin not have no more stretching at it for all the fat. That's
Mm.
when the key line come under your skin because then the fat start lump up on your skin. So I realize that
Oh.
now I need to lose weight because my body I get too thick.
Mm-hmm. Your shape really good though.
True. Thanks to my mama.
Mm.
Thanks to my mama.
Amanda, respect.
Oh, where everybody gone?
Top of the screen, guys. Everybody top of the screen.
Why you pay the light bill there, the water bill there, the water. So put your money where your mouth there.
Rich
Somewhere,
Pooch, you want me?
full up of that somewhere, full up of this, full up of that
You
somewhere.
come on your live, I must say last night or this man. Your live did just a freeze, man, so I have to go here.
Rich, rich lizard. I wonder if they want the cartel I look for. Me look
I say
good
you
for
put it.
back.
Nobody, nobody. Huh?
Me look good from front. Hi, Paige.
Respect,
Hi,
Poochie.
Paige. How are you? I hope the workload not killing you. I like good, y'all. Freedom. I feel blessed. I feel free now. I hope. Who is that? Your live content. What is this? Somebody trying to report my life. Go report to no mama all.
That's a bad man, still.
Report.
Me see, come up on my one look a while.
Report to
People no bother with them foolishness. Are you good shape? Make them a report the thing. A good little mate a report it.
me not a mate. Me not a mate. A dad do mate. Me love my mate. What bless God, me love my mate.
And the girl will take your man a report the live.
Me love my mate.
So
Eh?
how she a watch us so constantly. So well, where she get
That's
time for
why
your
God
man?
your work I can kill you.
Hmm?
Huh?
The woman where
Have a new mate. Me say me like the girl. The girl mind me. And she mind the girl just a run money so. Me and that girl. You see me? Some girl don't have a problem. If you know them man have a girlfriend. Once a girl has support my boyfriend. He no have nothing to do. Once a man. Why? What the people in there? I need help.
put your respect in her, respect for that. You hear that? Fully active.
Me like my man.
Nico flick. Nico flick. You hear me?
Huh?
Nico.
Oi.
Give me a wine. Give me a wine. Give me a wine. Play tune and give me a wine.
Yeah, which way? Hey boy, what I like. But I'm like TikTok black yo. No, John. Why do I TikTok black yo? Yes,
Turn around and play tune and give me a wine. Give me a wine.
me forget why you stand too firm. Go on. Alright.
No man, me good. Me good.
Me can't wait.
Play tune and dance and turn around and just give me one little back here. Turn around to me. Turn around to me.
No!
Poochie, turn around.
Somebody's
Yambo
sniping!
Poochie, see me I call up your name. Turn around and give me one little wine. Play back a tune. Turn around to me, baby. Turn around.
Oh, no, no, I'm moving. So, me now dance. Me now dance.
Thank you very much, Poochie. You get all the bluetin gloves. Amanda, stainless steel
Thank you.
storing jet blue. 76, bless up yourself. Jacqueline, bless up yourself. Girl, play the tune, no man, and tap waste my time.
What kind of waste your time? Me not get no gift over here. Some for one. Me forget gift to dance. Me not dance
You
just
soon get gift of that. You have to entertain the people. And bell what happen?
but nobody know.
Play tune, man. Oh, man, that make you look like me desperate for wine, make people screen record. You go send more man, you know. Distraction, you know. Ever sweet or gone, ratted, you know. Where some my friend are dust out the gloves for her. Alright, that's a code. Hear what she say. What you say, young lady?
Princess have two gloves.
Rich Poach, bless up yourself. Bless up yourself. Appreciate that.
Princess, bring me gloves. Alista. No man, I made them a go and stop.
Bombard, you know. Code, man.
Oh man, somebody
Code.
sentence me over there. So.
Code. I'm a lucky morning. Thank you very much, Poochie. A long time I don't see so much give of life on my screen. Hold on. Oh.
Somebody
9K. Thank you very much,
please.
guys.
Don't know it on your page.
10K. 10K likes before 6 o'clock, everyone.
And
10K before 6 o'clock.
so
Poochie, thank you.
that
Kami ever sweet. Bless up yourself here. Guys, you know, make me kind of slow sometime, okay?
was accent.
So, mhm. Any,
Princess, come put on the gloves, please. But again, me no know, me no know shooter. Where Shana there? Shana can come give me one donut.
boom, boy, I know. See, she a shoot up on it.
Two donut on the car. Two donut. Somebody give one donut to the gloves now. Oh God, Princess doesn't know no more gloves. Somebody know fire. Thank you, Princess. Somebody give me someone the gloves.
Should have beat me up like a while. Sinner go, so I go on. Body top up his screen.
The next one yet. Nobody know fire.
Code that. Thank you very much. Hey, people, I'm at top, you know, guys. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. 10K. Congratulations, guys, to the whole team. Congratulations to me. Congratulations, guys. Thank you, guys. I've reached 10K toppings, guys. I really appreciate that. Later, gonna work. Okay, have a blessed day. Have a blessed day, Poochie. Bless up yourself, here. Do everything with care. Mwah. Now tell nobody say me give one little chups, okay? That's between me and you, okay? If keep it as a secret still, me give a bite for you. Poochie, big up yourself. Amanda, big up yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. Alright? All of my tappers, them. I love all of them. What you say, Nico? Thank you very much, Amanda. Jacqueline, big up yourself. Alright? Oh, I set a live goals. I didn't have any.
Thank you, Princess.
Blessings, Jacqueline. Bless up yourself.
Thank you, Princess B. God bless you.
Stainless
You
touring jet.
can't share the lessons of rich people when we shoot against each other.
Poochie gonna work. I only come there and Jacqueline there, I don't know about me.
Put you on that top in our neck, man. Look a bit
I
of,
when Poochie gone, I go sit there and sitting there.
she look a bit of altar about she come and shoot against me.
I could sit down and have an adult reasoning. Hold on, let me sit down and reason with them. Reason with them. I sit down and reason with you.
Where are you?
What you mean by more reason with you for when an adult?
Mr. Where you want to say? Where you want to say?
You are a very nice person as me can see. The little time I know you and I play a match with you, you're so nice.
Yeah.
I like your energy and everything. You have a different vibes about you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So what make you take on to a person like me, Chadwalters?
Oh, Chad, you have a sense of humor. You understand the assignment. When me talk to you and I run through for you, you understand. And me understand your assignment. So
Yeah.
in that aspect, your personality is good.
But from before we even play matches, you already know me. What was your thought about the
I don't
whole
judge people.
Chadwalters, the whole
I don't judge people and others' opinion against them. So I accept people for who they are, not what I would like them to be. Maybe I would want it to personality.
yeah. When you was seeing me, what come to your mind when you first see me? The first time you see me, and what video you first see with me?
You know, so I don't remember which video. No, the first video I see when your ball say different piece of money. However, I find it funny. I find it funny.
Mm.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
but that's serious situation. That is a serious situation.
And then one with macadamia as well. Say macadamia and a woman and stuff. For me, I don't get involved in TikTok content, and so I just look and laugh and move forward and accept people for who them are. But you can't make
Oh.
who you want them to be if you don't.
Yeah, but the thing is something special about you because by the end of the day, a lot of persons been watching me all these times, even before you, and then you just come in at the picture, you watch me a bit, and then know me and you this now per much like most of the times. What you think about this? You think everything happen for a reason?
Yeah, yeah, 'cause people are gonna meet people. This is social media. This is people, and people gonna meet people, laugh, and then they're gonna go their separate ways when conflict arise. So social media is just to have a laugh, and if you're gonna
Yeah.
instead of having people but use about the laughter, the joke, the fun. So basically that's where that type of thing like a snake. That type of energy me want around me. So basically me
Mm.
a laughter me want. So
Yeah, you want somebody to always make you smile.
I want me to have a
Although me nah no manners, so right?
yes, you know, no man.
Thank you, Amanda.
Thank you for the light, Jeremy. Thank
Stainless,
you.
touring jet blue, title, Andrea, blow.
I will tell you.
Jacqueline, bless up yourself. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day, Jacqueline. Take care of yourself, alright? Bye bye.
Come on,
Tap the
guys.
screen, guys.
Gonna do better than that, no man.
Well, me like your energy still, you know, you're full of vibes. And you're easy to talk to, you know what I mean? So, I don't think a woman like you should have a problem with any man, though. Because the vibes that you give me, and this are over phone. Listen, you see energy? You hear me, I say?
Yeah,
You hear
yeah.
me? Yes, let me tell you this. You see, some of the time, energy, or for me, I feel energy. I don't know if you feel my energy, but me, I feel your energy 100%, and this are over phone. We don't message or nothing. The vibes of me and you have a mutual and a good. Sometimes people don't know if you build vibes over phone, and this are over phone. So, me I say now, with your energy in person, me feel like say, you are any person we are date or in a relationship. The energy is supposed to strong.
Yeah, we energy strong, man. But
Oh.
you know, una man already wanna think we don't know deep. Una head down the side that head up here, so.
Mm, 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 mm.
Yeah, that
No, 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 no. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. No man want lose what they really have, what they have and really need or want. So for a man, I gonna give a woman problem. He no longer value the person there. And come on, woman is a thing. Remember, you know, I wanna you, you know.
well,
Kim Morning.
maybe me not valued. Who knows? Maybe me valued, but maybe me nice on social media. I'm joyful and funny, but in person, maybe me miserable. Maybe me too.
Yeah, but listen what me I say.
Maybe me think
Listen
too
what me I
much.
say. Listen what me I say. You can maybe be too miserable, but if somebody somebody really love you, them are gonna look past that. Because listen, if you're my woman, me I gonna know certain bad habits where you have where me I gonna try if it talk to you about and maybe I pull up your socks a little bit. So me I gonna get used to you and that the habit there. Me now make your habit get me down. So if me I go out there, must be a reason why me I go out there. Is either me not interested in sitting where you are do. I mean, no value you, dog, big up yourself. Kim Wagwan. You think, say, alright, for me, couple years back, I'm always this person. Me not go to my relationship no time at all. You understand me? I try to say, I me do everything to stay in a relationship. So, a man have to respect you upon a certain level. No care how woman look good and whatever. What as long as you're woman good because what you know, you think say man a idiot? Man know woman when woman a good woman, you know. I don't know enough for Japan standard. Look pa Chanel Muir. If you tell about Chanel Muir, I don't know if I prank Chanel Muir or prank social media or what. Chanel Muir says she a top.
How how in there?
With two other women. You hear me?
Yeah, me yeah no. When it start,
Yeah.
yeah.
May I say something about look at Chanel Muir. I don't know if it's a prank or whatever. But Chanel Muir a top girl and she are the first artist to come out and say, yo, our man that I want like a simple youth, our man. And by the end of the day, the man still got cheat on the girl with a cheese with two other girl. And Chanel Muir see him and Chanel Muir left him for that.
Mm.
Cause Chanel Moore with a lower standard if she did stay and the man still lower standard for going cheat with two other women. It better him did say to Chanel Moore, say, babes, you know say though, me you good at everything you post on social media, the whole world knows say me you together. You know say more than involve somebody else in a relationship. Me could do and cheat some now. If a girl love him, a girl would not accept that. A better man come to you straightforward and hurt your feelings with saying that you know when up to down for your eye than I do it.
True. True.
Maybe Shani Muir with a cuss and go on it, but I did tell him that I don't do it. And that's why so much disease and so on sitting there about, because I saw it come about still, you know. Because if you are going to run up and down and are going to have Chisum are sitting with, Chisum are sitting with,
Thank you, Shauna. Thank you, MVP, Rana, Dubai. Yeah, where's it?
all of my toppers them big up on yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. I love you. Kim, bless up yourself. Rich, bless up yourself.
Love you, Shauna. Thank you.
What me I say still, I saw the thing set up. No man not supposed to come out of their relationship or whatever from them really love or respect the person and cherish the person. That means to say a man no value woman then, because if you can have your nice clean woman and still a go out there. What is the problem with your woman? And most yeah.
I
So
know.
something is in so. Mhm. No, and you have to put on your foot as a woman too. You can't stand up and make that a go on. You have to say, babes, what is the problem? You have to talk to your person. What is the problem with me? What happened? What me can change? What me can adjust? You as a woman can come as a big somebody to you know. I say, babes, but no say you're angry with me. You see, once you bring the argument here to a man, if him a push you off and he still not take no chat from you, that a pussy will him know say him a wrong already. He no rate you. If you as a woman, you know how much man would appreciate a woman step to them and say, babes, where you depend? What me I do wrong? Me too miserable? Me know me too miserable and myself. No fight time for true. Me too angry. But at least me try to pull up my socks, babes. What me do for deserve this? And what is the problem? You see somebody else? What happened? One, they can't talk to you. You can't reason.
If the man a liar man and just all when the truth then I'm fear.
Mm. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Coming ever
Hey!
sweet.
But if the man a want
Talk to
liar
me.
and the truth then I'm fear.
Yeah.
All when you find the evidence, all when you see the evidence, he might say a lie. There's no you can do as a woman, because that man just a compulsive liar.
But they come like say, I stuck, you stuck. Somebody stuck with that. You say you're married, no so?
I know. Yeah. Thank you, Kami.
Oh.
Thank you.
My side. You see what I go on though? Capricorn, what I go on? People, you see what I go on though? Everybody tap up the screen. Taya, what I go on? Everybody want depend. Bless up on yourself. Holy for love. All of me tappers them.
Yeah,
Reach
but
your target before 6 o'clock.
what kind of target
Yo,
you
what
have?
you say? 10,000 likes before 6 o'clock. I reach it already and pass it.
Oh, at 6 o'clock at what time?
Mm.
It's 3 minutes of 6 now.
Woo! Thank you. Yeah.
You know,
Thank you. I want to sit there. I want that. I want that. I want that. I want that. I don't know. At first, me I see it.
what's
It's a
that?
bee. Oh, it's sting me.
Look like one
Oh,
bees.
it's a bee. Sending, singing bee. Oh, the bee did that sing. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, what you did that send? Oh, Nico Flick.
Boa.
Yeah, that says something about whatever about guys.
No, me I say if the man is a compulsive liar, there's nothing a woman can do to change him, because
So,
if you hide
uh,
from a liar, you can't hide from when you can't.
yeah, now a wicked entanglement then. Entanglement then. Like you can't do no better.
Who say me can do better? Who say me have problem and entanglement? Me can't. Why you think me can do
No,
better?
that then that a woman need to put on them foot.
So how you know me not put on my foot?
And it's still a go on.
Who tell us say it's still a go on? Maybe me just a joke.
Oh. Oh yeah, comedian. Okay, then that if it's a long time.
Maybe me just love fuckery.
Mm. Top of the screen, people. Top of the screen.
Come on, guys.
Cause there's no way there is no way you can shape so good and look so good and you ain't a problem with.
When too much woman shape good and look good and still in a problem. Remember, I'm not the way them want to do, Sometimes I might,
No, you have to
the man look
understand.
nice.
No,
And
listen,
the man ugly,
listen, listen, listen,
ugly,
listen.
ugly, big belly girl.
Yeah, cause what you know. This are the thing. So when some man just see one woman, then see sex. And when they see one woman now, cause me see one woman and see one woman and just see sex. And when me involved with her and get the sex, me and her spend a whole heap of years together. And so I saw man see woman, people shoot.
What's a man say, woman? Huh?
As they see then start to think about a man who see and think about sex and start think about the whole future and plan out the whole future with the animal you know involve all and you know make no plan arrangements so we man stay.
Oh,
We think far down woman to most of the time.
really? I think a woman always
Woman no ten step ahead of woman always woman smart and we whole heap of time. But we think, listen, you see, cause you see, true, uno woman, uno are secure on yourself, So my time, a man will really mean no good, I will not see it, not that the man there. A man where no mean no good, no see the good. Most of the time, the good man, they right in front of the woman them. For instance, look how long me single now. Enough woman don't know say me is a good youth. If a woman really take me up
why you
and say
tell
me take care
everybody
of a
you man
woman,
not think you're single? Cause you always tell them some academy and you're a woman.
listen to me, relax yourself. Suppose I wasn't with her. I'm talking about. Alright, listen now. Me nah say. Listen, just pause for me. Just work with my conversation. See? Me nah say stuff on. Alright, for instance, suppose me single now. Me nah get no woman for now because you want me now. Them a go think say, he's not a good man. And I am.
But your fear says, so the woman, the person you put out, the woman afraid because they know why you will cuss them.
My life off social media and social media are two different something.
Yeah, but at that, the woman them afraid that they ever say, hey, dirty girl. You ever hear a class of the woman them sometimes, class of the people them sometimes?
Mm-mm.
They afraid.
Mm-mm. Me not cool class of the people them so
Nobody give
bad,
my
man.
money gone now, eh? I want
Me
Anna
not
and
class of the
our
people
bird
them so
money.
bad.
So man, when you sometimes you angle them feel like dog.
You afraid I'm like puss.
Mm-hmm. They ask me
So you
sometimes,
not
what
afraid
you
of
do
me?
with the boy there?
People ask you?
But we tell them say,
You
man,
not
no
tell the
cuss
people them
like
say me
that.
I have eh?
We tell them say, man, no cuss like that.
You know if you angle me. So people actually say that to you?
Yeah, they ask me say, when you play much with them, face man. You're not afraid of this that
Oh.
you say to them, say, no.
You know say me I have one connection. You know say me I have one connection already.
What kind of connection?
Jankro, me I have connection. Me love play with you.
2 foot dog. How you call drunk?
Me I have a connection, boy. Cause there is no way more than want play so much. You know, say somebody tell you add people and play one match and then just boring and you're gone. You can play a 20 match with you and know say everything good.
That's
Cause you're
true.
not lay out for my team. I like
Mm-mm.
that then.
I don't lie.
You are one lady with name Fab. You see one lady named Miss Fab, he could have one somebody on him match, me and her.
We always have a little bit of people.
Ah,
We don't really have nobody.
all you know the thing is, me feel like saying not to talk with people. You're there on the live, but you not talk more while if you try all a reason with them. Say people wanna up to, wanna talk to me. Build a
Not
conversation.
talk. Then just want looking at my face.
My people them not talk to me. They all look for see when try screen record we are that my people what try to do.
Then I love screen record.
Only one or two people will come big me up. Mhm.
Yeah. Them hardly, them people on me, you know, they don't really give gift. Not
Mhm.
even like they don't give. A few people, not even they like, they're not only like, but not even like.
You know that. People tap up the screen, tap up the screen.
Come on, guys, like and share. If you don't want me cut shot. Alright, anybody want me cut shot, give me my money gun, me cut shot. I make sense.
Me a wait, yo, me go on one place and say me a waste man.
Where be your waste, man? What kind of smell like?
And I people in hometown me there.
Well, we pull up in the one turn and you not see them. Snipe! Sniping!
I can't win me.
Okay, when you can't nobody over here. I want somebody in one ghost and me. One ghost me. One fifty. Somebody put up
Me
over
I
here.
look if me I go see if my woman dey online and try other after the match, yeah?
Yeah. Which one of them?
Maka, are you want come with me? You want come with me and look?
Yeah. But no, Maka come raise me up and tell me some me play some match with her man.
No, she not gonna say that.
No, Mama come out safety. No, Mama come out no.
No, Maka is a very humble person. She not tell that, not say that.
She humble, but me mean she serious when it come to her man.
Mm-hmm.
She like me. I don't joke with my man.
Mm-hmm. Freeze, freeze.
Hmm?
Oh, thank you, Faith K. Thank you.
Sleep at night time.
Who not sleep?
Yo.
I sleep, man. I find me there and somebody hometown. You know, say I go in our community and see the house and lock up door. And we just pull it and come in there and sleep.
The day I was please I'm asking for something dapper done. Something nice.
You know me say, girlfriend.
I look by you must think that people are idiot. Boy, you pull up in that people.
Honestly.
You think of for another way can just broke in a people's house and live out for free? You know, get big stone till you're full.
No one the people you know say that me I do. All the neighbor them wave to them this morning and they wave. They don't know me. Maybe they think me buy a place. This a nice man. Old school, you know.
I had it all and I let it slip away. Treat me kind.
Mills, what's up?
And I feel crying.
Chris, you are going.
And I let it slip away. Z's, can you like up the live, please, and give me a gift if you can? Hey, Z's, what's up? Dapper Dan Wagwan, how is life? I hope everything is going fine with you. I hope life is treating you well, treating you kind.
Everyone top of the screen, guys. Top of the screen. Top of the screen. Everybody top of the screen.
I have it all, and I let it slip away. Yes, baby girl, I'm bathing myself. I sit down, baby girl. Trying to come in with some breakfast. Some fried dumpling and stuff. Once upon a time, I was falling in love. All right, what more? Some wild banana color low. Once upon a time, I was to the eclipse of your heart. No!
All right, Mago.
We're not sniping! Snipe him at the last match! Right, that's that. Thank you, boo boo. MVP! Who's the MVP? I know I'm a girl.
All right, later. Thank you very much, my team. Everybody, thank you. All right, all right. Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye bye.
You circle your back.
All right, no problem.
All right.